Have you ever felt that sharp, annoying pain in your knees after a long day or workout? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with joint pain daily, especially in their knees. But what if I told you there's a way to make a real difference with just a few vitamins? Today, we're talking about something crucial: the top 3 vitamins to help eliminate knee pain, reduce swelling, and keep your joints feeling young and strong. Trust me, if you're tired of knee pain and you want to know what really works, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and find out which vitamins can become your knee's best friends. Before we jump into the vitamins, let's get to know our knees a little better. You see, the knee isn't just a simple joint, it's one of the most complex joints in our body. It's made up of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and synovial fluid. All these parts work together to help us bend, walk, jump, and even dance. The cartilage in our knees acts as a cushion between the bones, allowing smooth and pain-free movement. But over time, this cushion can wear down due to age, injury, or even certain diseases, which leads to a common condition called osteoarthritis. This condition causes inflammation, pain, and even stiffness in the knee. That's where vitamins come in. They help protect, strengthen, and even repair some of the damage that can happen over time. Without the right nutrients, our knees are left vulnerable. So let's dive into the top vitamins that can make a huge difference. First on our list is vitamin C. Now, you might know vitamin C as the go-to vitamin for colds, but it's also a game changer for knee health. Why? Because vitamin C is a key ingredient for making collagen. And collagen is what keeps our cartilage strong and flexible. Think of it like the glue that holds our tissues together. Every time you eat something rich in vitamin C, you're giving your body the tools it needs to build and repair cartilage. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant. That means it helps reduce inflammation and stops free radicals, those pesky particles that damage cells, from hurting your joints. Great sources of vitamin C include fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi, as well as veggies like bell peppers, spinach, and broccoli. Experts recommend about 500 milligrams of vitamin C per day, which you can get from these foods or supplements if needed. So, if you want your knees to stay strong, start adding vitamin C to your diet today. Next up is vitamin D. This vitamin is unique because our bodies can actually make it when we're out in the sunlight. But here's why vitamin D is super important for your knees. It helps our bodies absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones. And strong bones mean better support for your knees. If you're low in vitamin D, your bones and joints become weak, which can lead to more pain and even a higher risk of joint diseases. Studies have shown that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to develop knee osteoarthritis. Getting enough vitamin D helps keep those bones solid and healthy, reducing the load on the knees. Most people need around 1,000 IU of vitamin D daily, which can be challenging to get from food alone. Some foods high in vitamin D include fatty fish, eggs, and fortified milk. But the easiest way to boost your vitamin D is by spending a little time in the sun. About 15 to 20 minutes a day should do the trick. And if you live in a place with less sunlight, especially in winter, consider taking a vitamin D supplement to make sure you're meeting your daily needs. Now, let's talk about vitamin K, often called the unsung hero for joint health. Vitamin K is essential for strong bones, blood clotting, and even heart health. But how does it help your knees? Well, vitamin K works by helping your bones use calcium more effectively, which keeps them strong and reduces wear and tear on your joints. Vitamin K comes in two main forms, K1 and K2. Vitamin K1 is mostly found in leafy greens like kale, spinach, and broccoli. Vitamin K2, which is especially important for bone health, is found in dairy products, fermented foods like sauerkraut and meats. It's recommended to take in at least 90 to 120 micrograms of vitamin K daily. A great tip: pair your vitamin K foods with a healthy fat like olive oil or nuts, as this helps your body absorb it better. By making sure you get enough vitamin K, you're giving your knees the support they need for the long haul. So, there you have it, the top 3 vitamins to keep your knees happy and healthy: vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K. Each of these vitamins plays a unique role in strengthening, repairing, and protecting your knee joints. And remember, the best way to get these nutrients is through a balanced diet filled with fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. If you want your knees to stay strong as you age, start paying attention to these vitamins today. Don't forget, consistency is key. Add these vitamins to your daily routine, whether it's through food or supplements, and you'll be giving your knees the support they need to stay pain-free and strong. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Your knees will thank you, and so will we.